In this video, we'll be going over the reasons to learn Python. The first reason that Python should be learned is because it's a cross-platform language. It can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac. The second reason is that it's easy to read. As there are no semicolons at the end of each line, it feels more like just English. There are also indents that are used to improve readability, and they show code hierarchy. It also has fast development, as there are many libraries that have built-in functions. It's freely available. Development tools are easily accessible and are free of charge. And finally, it's popular. Python is a highly popular language on GitHub, and it's still in demand today. And that's why you should learn Python. Thanks for watching.